Greetings from Noble. On today's agenda, we're exploring the unveiling of Life2Vec, the artificial intelligence that's revolutionizing predictions from personality traits to mortality rates. Life2Vec, based on transformer models akin to ChatGPT, has been trained on an extensive dataset from Denmark, covering the lives of 6 million individuals. Computer science professor Tina Eliassi-Rad notes its precision, but urges a cautious approach, viewing it as a stepping stone for further research. Eliassi-Rad brings attention to AI ethics, emphasizing the societal implications of such tools. An interdisciplinary team was involved in developing Life2Vec, ensuring a human-centered approach amidst massive data processing, the crux of life. 2Vec lies in a comprehensive dataset from Statistics Denmark, which details every Danish citizen's life. The AI then transforms life events into vector representations, creating spaces that categorize and link events like income, education, and health factors. Life2Vec's predictive prowess extends to mortality probabilities, visualized as a cylinder, indicating the range from low to high risk of mortality. Remarkably, the model can also predict individual responses to a personality test, with a focus on extroversion. However, Eliassi-Rad and paper author Sun Lehmann recognize the model's reliance on correlations, cultural contexts, and dataset biases. They remind us that the study was conducted in Denmark, highlighting the importance of considering cultural and societal nuances. In summary, Life2Vec sparks a crucial dialogue. Eliassi-Rad and Lehmann aim to demystify predictive algorithms, promoting a transparent understanding of their capabilities and ethical implications. As we close our exploration of Life2Vec, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Until our next rendezvous, this is signing off.